Hi everyone. Did you know that 80% of our daily success depends on how well we communicate, whether it is talking to friends, giving a presentation, or even sending a message? Communication shapes how people see us. Today, we are starting a 10-day journey to boost your communication skills, and we are kicking off with the basics what communication really is and why it matters. So get ready. What is communication? Communication is simply the process of sending and receiving messages. It is not just about talking, it is about getting your message across clearly and understanding others. There are four main types of communication. Number one, verbal communication. The verbal communication simply means the words we speak. And number two, non-verbal communication, which is basically the body language, gestures, and facial expressions. And number three, written communication is basically the use of emails, texts, and letters. All right. And the last, visual communication. Visual communication is basically the use of charts, graphs, and images. But there is one thing, even if your words are perfect, misunderstanding happen when communication breaks down. That is why understanding how communication works is a key. Now let us start out the communication processes and barrier. Communication is a cycle. We need four important things. First, the sender. You want to share an idea. And two, the message itself, how you express it, words, tune, and visuals. And number three, you need a receiver. The person getting the message is also very important, as well as the last factor, feedback. Their responses shows if they understood the message or not. Sometimes this cycle is blocked by barriers like distracted listeners, overcomplicated words, misreading body language, or emotional blocks like stress or fear and etc. So recognizing these barriers is the first step to overcoming them. Here is a quick exercise that you can do right now. Think of the last conversation you had that went wrong. Identify what caused the misunderstanding. Was it words, tune, body language, or distraction? And three, comment below your answer. Let us see how many common barriers we all face. This simple reflection makes you more aware of how communication works and what might block your need. Wrap up. Tomorrow we will have another lesson which is basically about communication, which is not just talking but a full cycle.